You guys may already love smoothie bowls. I love them, but what if I told you you could pack it to go? This Smoothie Parfait is a super simple breakfast on the go, packed full of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, calcium, protein. Let's get started. So let's start with the first layer of this parfait. It's a simple coconut chia pudding. It's really nothing more than these 5 ingredients. I have 1 cup of coconut milk. You can either use light or whole. This is the canned stuff that you find. So this canned coconut milk adds a tremendous flavor, texture, nice body. To that, add 2 tablespoons of water. I have a tablespoon of maple syrup. This is gonna add a nice hit of sweetness without being too sweet. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, my favorite. Okay, give this a stir. And then sprinkle on 3 tablespoons of whole chia seeds. These come in black, white, combination of the two. Just make sure you're starting with whole seeds. So give this a stir, make sure everything is combined. And then let this hang out in the fridge for at least 2 hours, overnight, up to 5 days, until it becomes nice and thickened. So it's been 2 hours. As you can see, the chia pudding is nice and firm, ready to go. So let's get the rest of the components together. I'm gonna make a really, really quick, easy green smoothie. It's literally 3 ingredients, so simple. Start with 3/4 cup frozen mango chunks. The reason I'm using frozen mango chunks here is that you don't need to use any ice to make the body nice and thick. You can just use the mango. I have 1/2 cup of baby spinach leaves. If you want to use baby kale here, that's fine. Just make sure it is green. To that, 1/2 cup of water. Easy peasy. All right, this looks great. So let's get the rest of the components together. We have Greek yogurt and then fresh chopped fruit. So I'm using a mango here. I also have some strawberries and some berries, but feel free to use pineapple. Kiwi is really great here. Anything you happen to have on hand. Bananas would be good. So one of the reasons I love this smoothie parfait is that it has so many great components. You've got calcium, protein-rich Greek yogurt. You have the hit of fresh greens with the smoothie. Always on the lookout for new ways to incorporate chia into my diet. It's really, really rich in fiber, great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, I've got a big bag in my freezer, so why not use it? So I've done this with pineapple before, kiwi, but really just use anything you have on hand. Nice thing about this recipe is that you can prepare this the night ahead, so it makes a really great on-the-go breakfast. You just grab it. The only thing you need to remember is to pack a spoon. All right, nice and colorful. So let's assemble. So I'm gonna assemble this in a mason jar. You can also just use a regular glass if it's not going anywhere. And we're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of the chia pudding. So just give this a stir. Really great texture here. It kind of reminds me of tapioca pudding. Just add it to the jar. All right, to that, add a 1/4 cup of chopped fruit. So I have some really nice strawberries here. I'll use some of these mango and some of these fresh berries. Looks good, nice and colorful. Just kind of give it a little press down. All right, to that, add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Definitely reach for the Greek yogurt here because it has a little bit more of a thicker body, and that works well with stacking vertically. If you wanted to keep this parfait dairy-free, you can look for those really, really delicious coconut yogurts. Be like a double dose of coconut. And then last but not least, a 1/4 cup of our smoothie. So if I were going to store this overnight, I would just cover it, throw it in the fridge. Why wait overnight? I want to try it now. So you're meant to stir all the layers together. They all play really, really nicely together. You've got sort of the tropical hit with the mango and the smoothie. You've got the coconut on the ground floor here with the chia pudding and then the delicious fruit and yogurt. So when you're finished stirring, it should look like a really nice pastel green because you want to make sure you get a component in every bite. All right, looks like we're nice and mixed. Let's give it a try. So rich, creamy, and make ahead. So on those busy mornings, you can just dig right in. Want more healthy recipes like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe.